How to fix Gemini image aspect ratio problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you guys can fix the Gemini's aspect ratio problem. So if you guys use Gemini, you must know that whenever you ask Gemini to create an image, it gives an image in 1:1 ratio and it does not give it in any other ratio. So in today's video, I have a fix for you. And before I teach you guys that, if you guys are new to create, login, and delete, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's dive right in. The first step is open up your Gemini. And after you're there, let's just see what the problem is. So if I ask it to create an image, I'll just ask it for a random image. So there you can see this is in 1:1 ratio. And if I ask it to do this in some other ratio, so let me just, so if I ask it to create a random image in 16:9, you can see it's just gonna take some time. And there you can see it still gives me the image in 1:1. So in this case, what you'll have to do is give the Gemini a canvas. So the canvas that I'm talking about is this 16:9 blank canvas. So this is just a blank image with no background. So all I have to do is just drag it and drop it right here and ask Gemini to create the same image, but use the image that I'll attach as a canvas. So if I do this, it's gonna give me the same image, not maybe not the same, but it's gonna do its thing. So there you can see it's giving me the ratio, but it still has this problem. But yeah, it's still giving me the image in a different ratio. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.